Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to add music to a video. So let's get started. So if you want to add music to your video, then what you can do is just simply open up your Microsoft Store in your device. So just open up Microsoft Store. Now in search bar you can search for Capcut. After searching for Capcut, now what you can do is just simply open up your Capcut and then install this Capcut application. After installing your Capcut application, what you can do is just simply open up your Capcut. And after opening up your CapCut, you will find this kind of interface. So from here, you can just add audio to your video. So to do that, what you have to do is just tap on Create Project and then select a video that you want to add audio to. So just tap on Import and then select the video. So for example, I have this video. So what I'll do is I'll just select one of these videos from inside from my file. After selecting a video, what you can do is just tap on Import. And after tapping on Import, now you have to select the audio file. After selecting the video and the audio file, what you can do is just simply drag it to your timeline. You should also drag your audio file to your timeline, so just select it and drag it to your timeline. And after doing that, now what you can do is just adjust your audio according to your video. And after doing that, now in the top right, you will find these options. So the first one is volume. So if the audio volume is too high, you just have to reduce the volume by dragging it down. So the music should always be lower than your video. So just decrease the loudness of your music and you can add a fade in and a fade out if you want. And after doing that, you have to check this option which is normalize loudness and then tap on this option which is reduce noise. You just have to do the same with your audio file. So just make sure that your audio is higher than your music. So just select your audio and then head over to your audios in the top right and then just increase the volume a little bit and then tap on normalize loudness and then clear the noise. And after checking those, now you have to check if the audio is right and then edit your video the way you like, and you just have to tap on export which is on the top right and then export your file. So before exporting, check the resolution and then check the FPS. So if you like this resolution, you can change it to 4K, 2K or any resolution that you want. You can also change your FPS to 60, 50 or 30. And after checking all those, what you can do is just tap on export and then export your video. So that's it guys, this is how to add music to a video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.